English together.
What is your daily routine?
What is your daily routine?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast. I like toast and coffee. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30. I eat cereal with milk. After breakfast, I go for a walk. I like to exercise in the morning.
That is nice. I do not exercise in the morning. I sometimes go to the gym after work.
What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I take a shower and get dressed. I go to work at 8:30.
That is cool. What do you do at your job?
I help people. I answer emails and make phone calls. It is busy, but I like my job.
Great. I work at a school. I am a teacher. I teach English to children. I go to work at 9 o'clock.
That sounds fun. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. The children are very nice. They learn a lot.
What do you do every day?
Hello, ladies. What are you talking about?
We are talking about our daily routines. What about you?
I wake up at 7:30. I eat eggs for breakfast. After that, I go to the gym.
That is great. Do you go to the gym every day?
Yes, I try to go every day. I like to stay fit. After the gym, I go to work.
What do you do at work?
I work in a restaurant. I am a chef. I cook food for customers.
Wow, that sounds interesting. What do you cook?
I cook many things. I make pasta, pizza, and salads. I love cooking.
That is awesome. What do you do after work?
After work, I go home and have dinner. Sometimes I watch TV or play video games.
Do you play games every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I meet friends. We play games together.
That sounds like fun.
What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I relax, go shopping, and spend time with my family.
I visit my parents and go to the park.
I like to go hiking. It is nice to be outside.
Yes, nature is beautiful.
We all have nice routines.
Yes, we do.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.